That's the sound right there that I wanted you guys to hear. And I think I know what the problem is. So these are the parts that Ford gave me. We got the solenoid and we have the check valve. These parts were 81 bucks for the, so for the valve it was 19 bucks, and for the solenoid it was 53 bucks. This is Canadian dollars. So let's get this installed and let's see what happens. So apparently this has something to do with the IWE, which is the integrated wheel ends, and this has been really bad for the past like couple days. It's actually gotten so bad where I have to use my 4x4 just to drive around the city. I know that's a terrible idea. You shouldn't drive in 4x4. Open up the hood, locate these two, solenoid and check valve. I'm replacing both. You don't necessarily have to replace both of them. You can just replace the check valve if you know that's the issue. If not, replace both. I'm replacing both for the heck of it. It should be fairly simple to disconnect. You want to press here. Don't lift. It says press, so you're going to want to press it. Pull it out. We're gonna actually put the camera down to remove these two, just so I can use both my hands. Alright, so they should be just fairly straightforward. You can probably pop these out with your hand. They should in and down. There you go. Down. Get the new solenoid, make sure it's the exact same part, which they are. And put everything back quickly before you forget the order that you took it off. Should be cool. I have a picture reference I took yesterday. Here it is. Alright, so picture reference. That's definitely the correct order. Go for a ride. Oh my god. That's not the problem. What the f? Okay, so if that doesn't solve your problem, there's another one. There could be a second issue. So if you go under your vehicle, there's going to be a vacuum hose right there. So that right there is ripped and it's leaking, and I want to temporarily fix this with some electrical tape, but you want to get a new hose, obviously. So if that doesn't work for you, if the valve doesn't work for you, and the solenoid, check your hoses. Actually, I jumped the gun and I thought that was the issue. Check both your hoses. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna check this side. Get new hoses. I can't get new hoses today because the parts department closed at 5:30. So I'm gonna tape these hoses up. Just gonna go around the block. See what happens. Not very confident this is gonna work, but you never know. Temporarily fix. Well, that might work. That might actually work temporarily. Yeah, you know what? This sounds, well, rather it doesn't sound. It doesn't sound.
Oh, can you help me?
Yes, honey, I can. We're gonna go home right away. Okay, I already seen what I need to see. So we're just gonna go home.
Well, no, we're not going back home.
Yeah, we're actually gonna go back home because Daddy's starving. I kind of fixed what I.
I'm afraid of hockey.
Yeah, we're gonna go play some hockey. Yeah. Just so you guys know, don't jump the gun and think that it's like really expensive parts, like valves and solenoids. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it comes apart in between the wheels, and they start grinding up against all those moving components. And check that first. I didn't check it. I was kind of dumb. Sometimes it's not the valves, not the expensive parts. Sometimes it's vacuum lines that broke off because it's grinding.
I don't know if we're going back home and play hockey.
Yeah, we're gonna go play hockey. Yeah.
If we do
I'm just gonna finish
what?
this video quick, wrap it up, and we're gonna go shoot some pucks. Okay?
And we can play hockey.
Yeah, but I have to go eat first, okay? I'm starting. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments below. Honey, can you wait 1 minute?
No, I can't. I said that.
Okay, good luck.